Today I am going to discuss about nested function in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about nested function in Swift. What is nested function? You can also define function inside the bodies of other function. You can also define function inside the bodies of other function. It's called nested type function. It's called nested type function. So first of all, then we are going to create example. We can see function. We can name hello. This is a no return type and no argument, and we can create another function. Func hello what. This is a no return type. And so then we are going to create a string. Let str equal to so string hello sir, how are you. Hello sir, how are you. And so another function, this is a print of string. Hello what, hello kya. Then we are going to create a print statement, and we can access this string str. We can print the string str. So this is another function. This is another function. This is a base function and another function, and we can call this is a base function hello. So what, hello what is called, and we can instance of hello function. We can use then we are going to create a print statement. So hello sir, how are you. This is a string. Declaration function. So you can, what is nested function? You can also define function inside the bodies of another function, and other function is called nested function. Thank you for watching this video.